On the behalf of National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management under Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all on the video demonstration on processing of red cherry pepper under the capacity building component of PMFME scheme. The major red cherry pepper producing states are Sikkim and West Bengal. They are small, round-shaped, fleshy and heavy-seeded and having green color. Turn to red when they are fully matured. The uses of red cherry pepper are, they are mainly used for the side dish and also commonly used in chutneys, sauces along with momos. It is regularly consumed in winters as it keeps the body warm. It is used for making pickle, sauce, paste, powder and dry chili. Coming to the market insights, it is very popular with foreign tourists coming to Sikkim, and Sikkim government is encouraging the growth of dale for export. Coming to the harvesting of red cherry pepper. Harvesting is done when the cherry pepper pods are well ripened. At maturity, the skin color of the pod should be at least 50% red. Coming to the nutritional information of red cherry pepper, it is excellent source of vitamin A and C, and it is also having antioxidants. The vitamin C content in fresh red cherry pepper is about 1000 to 1010 mg per 100 gram dry matter. It also have significant amount of vitamin B, iron, thiamine, niacin, magnesium and riboflavin. It is cholesterol free, saturated fat free, low in calories, low in sodium and high in fiber. This is the process flowchart of red cherry pepper powder and flakes. The next step is pre-sorting. Pre-sorting is the first operation red cherry pepper powder and flakes processing, and it refers to the removal of unmarketable material. Next step is sorting. Color is the foremost criteria for sorting. Manual visual sorting can be done for selection of fully ripened uniform red cherry peppers. Sorting can be done on a grading table or floor or on a moving conveyor. Color sorters can be also used. Then the next step is de-steaming. De-steaming refers to the removal of the stems from the selected cherry peppers. It is essential to reduce the drying load of the dryer. This is the machine which is used for thermal treatment, that is blanching. Then objective of this is to inactivate the enzymes which is responsible for the quality degrading such as browning and coloring changes. Hot water or steam can be used for blanching, and hot water blanching should be done at 100 degrees centigrade for 3 minutes, and the equipments used are electrical hot water blanchers or large stainless steel containers. The next step comes is drying, and red cherry peppers contain 84 to 88% of moisture content, and these need to be reduced to less than 8 to 10% for longer shelf life through drying. The various drying methods used here are traditional sun drying, solar drying, hot air drying and vacuum drying. Sun drying is the next step. Cherry peppers are dried in sun by spreading on clean, dry polythene sheets, cemented or concrete drying yards or even on the roof of houses. Then solar dryers or solar tunnel dryers can be used. Here the capacity will be 50 kg to 1000 kg and drying time will be 2 to 3 days. And even hot air dryers can be also used, and it is carried out in dry electric hot air tray dryers. The temperature for air is 60 degrees centigrade and the capacity will be 50 kg to 200 kg. The drying time is 14 to 16 hours. Then comes the vacuum drying technology. Here the dryer consists of hollow shelves in a vacuum chamber, and the pressure will be 1 to 30 mm using a vacuum pump. The temperature of air is 60 degrees centigrade. Capacity will be 50 kg to 100 kg. Drying time will be 8 to 9 hours. The next step is grinding. Grinding of dried cherry peppers to suitable size is referred to as milling. Here the equipment used is hammer mills or grinders. The packaging equipment which is used for Dale Corsani is FFS packaging machine, and even hand sealer can be also used. Quality of red chili pepper or powder or flakes check can be used using moisture content, color, pungency and powder particle size. The next value added product of red cherry pepper is pickle. The types of red cherry pepper pickles are pickle in vinegar and pickle in oil. This is the process flow chart for red cherry pepper vinegar pickle. Coming to the washing, here the equipments used for cherry pepper washing are spray type washer, immersion type washer, rotary drum washer. Next step is sorting. For the preparation of cherry pepper vinegar pickle, sorting is done based on both size and color. Roller sorters can be used for the size sorting and color sorter can be used for the visual inspection. Coming to brining and draining, it refers to the soaking of cleaned cherry peppers in brine. Salt removes the water from the chilies by osmosis, and then it is non-iodized common salt can be suitable for this. Iodine in the table salts darkens the pickles, and even salt that contains chemicals to reduce caking should be avoided as the chemicals will make the brine cloudy. Coming to the filling and capping labeling, the cherry peppers are filled in pre-cleaned PET glass bottles or jars, and after that acetic or vinegar acid is used at 2 to 5%. This is the process flowchart for red cherry pepper oil pickle. After pickling, mixing is done and brine peppers are drained and mixed with spices. The commonly used spices here are turmeric oil, mustard seeds, fennel seeds and carom seeds in oil. After that, it undergoes filling and capping and finally labeling. These are the composition of red cherry pepper vinegar pickle and oil pickle. The quality of red cherry pepper pickle can be given in the parameters and limits in the following table. The export potential of the finished product is that high demand for the organic product due to increased health concerns and awareness, and even chili powders have their niche market both in India and globally. Pickles are most suitable for small scale manufacturers also, and pickles can be made using relatively simple equipment that is ready available in most places. Till now, what you have seen is the processing of red cherry pepper video under PMFME scheme under MOFPI in partnership with the state and UT has launched an all India centrally sponsored scheme PMFME for providing financial, technical and business support for the upgradation of existing micro food enterprises. For more details, please visit our website link www.niftam.ac.in. Thank you.